Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can react to messages on Discord. So you can do it on servers, but you can also do this on direct messages too. So go to direct messages and select the message you want to react to for a few seconds, and you can either press from these 5 emojis or you can add more by pressing it here. You can choose emojis. There's more here, but I think you need to open some of them with like the Discord Nitro, I guess, but some of them you can use, I think, or not. Yeah, you need to use Discord Nitro to use like other sort of reaction emojis from servers, but this one's like for free, the emojis one, as you can see. And if you want to delete it, you're just going to click on it, but you can add more reactions to the messages, as you can see. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!